कोर्ट स्टेनो पदभरती भाग 1 मध्ये आपण एक ऑर्डर समजावून घेतली होती. आज आपण त्या ऑर्डरवर डिक्टेशन व त्या ऑर्डरच्या आउटलाईन कशा प्रकारे बनतील याबाबत माहिती पाहणार आहोत. सर्वप्रथम आपल्याला ती ऑर्डर पुनश्च एकदा पाहून घ्यायचे आहे, निरीक्षण करायचे आहे, शक्यतो वाचून घ्यायचे आहे. त्यानंतर यामध्ये पुढे त्या ऑर्डरवर आधारित संपूर्ण आउटलाईन दिलेल्या आहेत व त्यानंतर त्यावर डिक्टेशन दिलेले आहे. ते आपल्याला सराव करता येईल. तर चला सुरू करूया. रेडी. मिसलेनियस क्रिमिनल ॲप्लिकेशन नंबर 1155/2020 प्रिन्स अनिल मोरे वर्सेस स्टेट पोलीस स्टेशन श्यामनगर अमरावती. ऑर्डर बिलो एक्झिबिट डेटेड 1/1/2021. This is an application under section 439 of CRPC for grant of bail in connection with crime number 1155/2020 registered with police station श्यामनगर अमरावती against the applicant and others for the offense punishable under section 307, 427, 504 read with 34 of the IPC. Paragraph. According to the applicant, the accusations against him are false and he has no connection with the crime. Paragraph. The application has been opposed on the grounds that the offense is serious and antisocial. Full stop. There is possibility of tampering of the prosecution witnesses. Full stop. Paragraph. Heard Shri Deshpande, learned advocate for the applicant, and Shri Deshmukh, learned APP for the state. Full stop. Pursued the case papers made available. Paragraph. The case of the prosecution is that on 4/12/2020 at around 6:30 a.m., when the informant was returning after cycling and when he was going towards the place, three persons came from behind on the motorcycle bearing registration number PH 55/U 7268 and abused the informant. Full stop. The applicant was the pillion rider. Full stop. The other co-accused, namely Anil More, tried to assault the informant on his head with an iron rod. Full stop. The informant saved him and ran away, leaving his cycle behind. Full stop. The applicant and other accused then damaged the cycle of the informant. Full stop. Thereafter, the report was lodged on the basis of which the FIR was registered. Full stop. Paragraph. It may be stated that prior to filing of this application, the applicant had filed miscellaneous criminal application number 5120/2020 for grant of interim bail due to the prevailing COVID-19 situation. The application was rejected on 2/2020. Full stop. Thereafter, the present application is filed. The earlier application was filed by the applicant directly from jail, full stop. In the said application, proper grounds were not raised, and therefore now the applicant has filed present application through his advocate for grant of regular bail as full stop, as the earlier application did not contain specific grounds for grant of bail. This court is considering the present application on its own merits. Paragraph. The applicant was arrested on 5/12/2020. The applicant does not have any criminal antecedents, full stop. No injury was caused to the informant, full stop. It is not the case of prosecution that if the applicant is released on bail, he is likely to abscond, full stop. The applicant is behind the bars for more than 1 month now, full stop. Nothing is to be recovered from him, full stop. The learned APP submitted that stringent conditions be imposed upon the applicant while releasing him on bail, full stop. Hence the following order is passed. Paragraph. Order 1. Application is allowed to applicant Anil More be released on bail on executing personal bond of rupees 25,000 with one solvent surety in the like amount in connection with crime number 1155 oblique 2020 registered with police station Shamnagar, Amravati against the applicant and others for the offences punishable under section 307, 427, 504, read with 34 of the IPC on the following conditions. A. The applicant shall not directly or indirectly make any inducement, threat, or promises to any person acquainted with the facts of accusation so as to dissuade him from disclosing such facts to the court or to the police. Next, B. The applicant shall cooperate in the investigations as and when called for. Full stop. The information in that regard shall be given to the applicant in writing. Next, C. The applicant shall intimate his place of residence to the police station. Full stop. The applicant shall not change his place of residence or leave the area in which he will be residing without giving prior written information to the concerned police station. Next, 3. Breach of any of the above conditions will amount to cancellation of bail granted to the applicant. Full stop. हमदस्त allowed. Full stop. अशाच महत्त्वपूर्ण माहितीकरिता या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा, शेअर करा, लाईक करा. धन्यवाद.